Hey guys, how's it going today? Today's May 15th or 14th. No, today's the 14th. Thursday, and it's kind of cloudy out. Decided to do a couple cold starts. So, shall we? First off, here we have a weed eater, Craftsman. Got a 11.5 horsepower. Whatever the thing's called. Shut up! I can't think of it today. Water pressure thing, whatever. I'm slow. I'm tired. It's like 8 o'clock. Pressure washer. Got a snowblower. Hasn't been started since December. Got a mower. That Tuscania one don't run. So let's get these two, see if we can get them. And if you guys got any ideas for videos, give me a hit and sub. So here we go. First off, today we will start off with this. Prime it for a good time like Dave's Farm. Put the choke on. Turn her on. This hasn't been started since October. Started right up, huh? Let's try the power washer. Choke's on. Turn it on. Gas is on. Let's see if we got any gas in it. It's been sitting since August. She's got gas. Just gotta think about it. Choke.